Hello guys, today we talking about boost your Instagram likes and followers. So you have to go in Play Store and search here likes for Instagram. Then you have to download this fourth app. Then after you have to log in on that app. I'll check my Instagram profile. So here it is my profile. 5292 followers and recently pics like 77. So after that let me track my account private. So we have to follow this celebrity. So follow this and click on see all suggested. Then follow all this. Then you see I have increased my followers. I'll confirm all. So here it is my profile. 196 private account cancel. Then I'll go in this app and I have to wait just 10 seconds. Then click on follow, like, comment, and copy and start Instagram. And I got likes. So I got too much likes. Let me check. 91. So this is the best way to increase your likes. So if you like this video, do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for new update.